Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I have got a shop scanner. The customer asked me if I could take a look at it. It's not charging. And yeah, so there is actually a short on the charging. And there is actually a short on the charging circuit. So if I get my ammeter, it's just here, and plug it in, you could see, watch what happens to the ammeter. It shuts right off. So there's definitely a short. And if I use my tail insertion meter, I don't think this will fit because of this. No, that's not going to fit because of this flappy thing. Kind of annoying. So I'm wondering if it's just the charging circuit that's short, or is it like the main actual motherboard part that's short. So if I take the battery out, and it's a rugged mobile. So it is a mobile phone, but under here, you can actually get some circuit. And yeah. So what I did last night, let me take this off completely. Put that on the battery so I don't lose it. Probably the wrong side. I should stick it on the other side. Well, it's not very sticky anymore. That's annoying. And on last night on stream, I had a quick little probe around. So if I go into continuity, and you should listen out for a beep. There you go. That's what you're looking for. So if I go on ground and there's capacitor here, it's shorted. There's two capacitors here shorted, and same with the the inductor's fine. Whether or not that's supposed to be like that, I don't know. If we look under the microscope, I'll show you what I think is supposed to be not supposed to be right. I don't think it's supposed to be right anyway. So you can see here, these two caps here. Don't know which side's supposed to be ground. I'm assuming this side's ground. I'm not sure where the other one goes to. I can't seem to be getting a reading off these inductors. So is this attached to this main chip here? If so, then that's a shame. I won't be able to repair it. But there's no other shorts anywhere else. Ah, there is a short here as well. Oh, I believe that's going to probably the main chip. Yeah, everywhere else is okay. So I am probably going to inject voltage on this one because it's a bit more area. I'll inject voltage there anyway. I'll do 50 millivolts. Okay, that's on there. And you attach red probe to the power, and now I need a ground. So can I clip it onto here without damaging it? Probably not. Right, I'm just gonna have to rest it on there. So at 50 millivolts, we are getting 1.1 amp. 1 amp basically, but it's fluctuating everywhere. So let's go under the thermal cam and see if I actually see anything. Might not. If I don't, I think I will have to take it apart even more if I could get into it. Right, so here we go. Ready? Yeah, unfortunately, we don't see anything here. I know we've got the viscous paste in the corner there, or whatever it is, the thermal pad, but I don't see anything visible here. So it might be on the other side or further up the device. Right. Just keep falling. Okay, so in that case, I guess I'm going to have to try and open it up even further, which is good. I like that, but whether or not it's going to be an easy thing to take apart, I don't know. So let's try and get into it then. Perfect. No, I like that. That's really nice. Very nice to open. Right, don't know what this rubber bit is. I'll have to keep that in mind. It might be for... Oh, there's another rubber bit that fell out. Ah, okay. They just sit on the posts. Okay. For the screws. Maybe for waterproofing, because there's one there, look. They just wrap around here. Cool. Any more? There's one there. And one in the corner there. And then that's it. Right, what could be causing the short? We might have to take this bit off as well. But while we are here, I'm going to take off these pads because one, I don't want to get them ruined, and two, we can see if there's any shorts, if there is, underneath them. Actually, that one has to stay there. I can't get this one off without ruining it. It's like a mini CPU. Oh no, I could get it off. It's got to be very gentle. Ah! Oh wow, I'm ruining it. No, I can't get that off. Well, that's gonna have to stay there. Um, okay, I guess it's thermal cam time again. I am gonna quickly solder that thing back on here. I need a smaller wire. This is way too thick. Hold on. Right, that's back on there. That there. And go under the thermal cam again. 50 millivolts selected. And where's my negative? There it is. Right, let's see what's lighting up now. Ah. It's that main chip. Unfortunately. Yeah. Damn it. I hope that's not a programmed chip. Right on that line. So this IC here, I don't know if I can read that. AXP288C. Let me quickly Google that. So it's pretty cheap and it's a QFN power management IC. I guess I'm gonna have to dismantle it further because I don't want to take that chip off while the display's there. It might be okay still, but don't really want to risk it. So I'm gonna have to take this off. Wonder how that's attached. So we've got a connector here. Just pops up. This speaker here, which just comes up. Perfect. Look at that. That was not hard at all. Fair play to Rugged, or whatever it's called. So I guess now I'm going to take off that IC and see if the short goes, to confirm the fault. Now the chip's off, let's see if the short has gone. Yes. The short has gone. There was one over here too. Yep, that's gone as well. Ground that side, nothing that side. Okay, so I think that needs a new power management IC. Let me see what it does now with the ammeter. It's on, and then if I plug it in, it stays on. Yeah, so the main power management IC had failed. So I'm going to inform the customer and see if they want to go ahead with the repair. And then hopefully it should be another fix. So I guess I'll continue with this video if the customer would like to go ahead with the repair. If not, I'll send the video here and I'll upload it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I might see you in part 2. The chips come for it, so hopefully I can get it working again. Nice man, thank you. Yeah, I thought I'd jump on the bandwagon, and I've got so much more room now. It's lovely. God, I've got really bad shakes today. I don't know why. I've got to prepare this little chip. Prep. There you go. That might be enough, or it might not be enough. Might be enough, but might not be enough. I know what I mean. There it is. Let's prep these pads. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's test it, see if we get some sort of life or charge it. No, it won't be charging out of this, but see if it'll cut out. Oh my god, I'm so shaky. Hello, Momo. Bonjour. Fingers crossed, yeah, thank you. Ready? Oh yeah. It's good. We're getting 100, no, 48. See, my ammeter's playing up. My ammeter's playing up. already, and it's a new one. It's drawing. Oh, it might be drawing up current anyway for some other reason. Let's get it back together and see if it works. Good morning, Sean. Morning, morning. Hopefully this will fix it. A lot of work from home now. Shop will be extra cost. Exactly. Right, here we go. Are we going to get anything come up on screen? Okay. It's doing something at 460 milliamps. Does it come on, or is it so flat? Well, it's staying on, but there's nothing happening. Have I got to turn it on? I don't know where the on button is. Oh, there's the power button. Oh, it's not working. Oh, hang on, there's a red light up there. Oh, well, it's gone now. There's a red light there. Oh, it's drawing 1.3 amps, so it's turned on now, but there's no display. It's drawing 1.1 amp. Hang on. Let me lock the battery. It's drawing 1.90, yeah, 1 amp. I saw a red light. Do I just press the power button now? We've got a red light still. I think it means it's too flat. It's still too flat to turn on. Red light off. Red light. Hang on, has it got a dodgy port? Oh, we're up. I think it's got a dodgy charge port. It just come up with some up. Did you see that? See, it's back again. I think it's just too flat. It needed to be at 3.7 volts for it to boot up.